And again, we're going to use tea tree oil for the same reason. It's really good for smells, odors, germs. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We're going to put 30 drops in here because it's a bigger batch, right? And 30 drops of lemon. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, now we're going to give this a really good mix. So we're incorporating the essential oils into the mix, but we're not setting off the baking soda and citric acid. Otherwise, we'd be seeing foam. And we don't want to see foam until we're ready to see foam.